In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in ERPNext. Sometimes you make changes to your website in ERPNext, like updating a logo, changing colors, or editing a page, and those changes don't appear right away. That usually means your browser or the system is still using cached or saved versions of the old content. Clearing the cache forces ERPNext to refresh and show the most up-to-date version of your site. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quickest way to do that using the built-in website settings. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the main dashboard or any screen where you can see the top menu. At the very top of the page, look for the search bar. This is usually located in the header area and is one of the fastest ways to navigate to different settings and documents inside ERPNext. Click directly into that search bar. Once your cursor is active there, start typing the words website settings. As you type, ERPNext today will automatically display a list of matching options below the search bar. This search feature is helpful because you don't need to remember where every setting is located in the menu. You can simply search by name. When you see website settings appear in the search results, click on it. This will open the website settings page. Take a moment to let the page fully load. This area controls different aspects of how your website behaves and appears, but for now we're only focusing on the cache. On the website settings screen, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You should see a button or option labeled Clear Cache. This button is specifically there to help you refresh the stored website data. Move your mouse to that button and click on Clear Cache. After you click it, ERPNext will process the request in the background. There may not always be a big pop-up, but you might see a brief notification or a quick refresh of the page. Once this is done, the system cache related to your website is cleared. To confirm that it worked, you can open your website in a new tab or refresh your existing tab and check if your recent changes are now visible. That's all you need to do. By using the search bar, opening website settings and clicking Clear Cache, you can quickly ensure your ERPNext website is showing the latest updates.